Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what cryptocurrency is? Let's break it down so simple that even a 10-year-old can understand it. First, what is money? It's something we use to buy things like toys, candy, or clothes. Usually it's coins, paper, or even numbers in your bank account. But what if I told you there's a new kind of money called cryptocurrency? It's not coins or paper, it's all digital. That means it exists only on the internet. Imagine you're playing a video game. You're fully immersed in this virtual world, navigating through different levels and challenges. As you progress, you earn coins in the game, right? These coins are rewards for your achievements, skills, and time spent playing. You can use them to buy cool stuff inside the game, like new outfits for your character, powerful weapons, or even unlocking new levels. These in-game purchases enhance your gaming experience. Now think of cryptocurrency as those game coins, but with a twist. Instead of being limited to the virtual world, you can use cryptocurrency in the real world. You can buy things online, pay for services, and even shop in some physical stores. It's like having a universal currency that transcends borders and traditional banking systems. Just like in the game, you earn and spend, but this time, it's in real life. But wait, how does it work? Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum use super smart technology called blockchain. Think of it like a giant digital notebook where everyone writes down who owns what. This keeps everything safe and fair. Blockchain is a decentralized ledger, meaning it's not controlled by any single entity. Instead, it's maintained by a network of computers called nodes that work together to verify and record transactions. Each transaction is grouped into a block, and these blocks are linked together in a chain, hence the name blockchain. This system ensures transparency and security because once a block is added, it cannot be altered without changing all subsequent blocks, which is nearly impossible. So, when you buy or sell cryptocurrency, you're participating in a secure, transparent, and decentralized financial system that operates independently of traditional banks. And that's cryptocurrency in a nutshell. Digital money you can use just like regular money, but it's online and super secure. Cool, right? But there's so much more to it than just that. Cryptocurrencies are revolutionizing the way we think about money and transactions. They offer a level of transparency and decentralization that traditional currencies simply can't match. Imagine being able to send money to anyone, anywhere in the world, instantly, and with minimal fees. That's the power of cryptocurrency. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into the technology behind it, exploring how blockchain works, the role of miners, and the security measures that make it all possible. We'll also discuss the potential risks and rewards of investing in cryptocurrencies. Stay tuned and see you soon.